Hey guys, it's Sassy Leash. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to make a wig. As I promised from the last video when I was toning the hair, I told you guys I would show you guys how to make a wig in the next video, and here it is. I'm just giving you guys a little reveal before the actual video, just to show you guys how it came out, and it came out awesome. Alright guys, let's get started. So I use a mesh dome cap, 2 pairs of scissors, some hair bands, some nylon thread, a needle, a wig brush, some tweezers, and some T-pins. So here, sorry the camera's a little out of focus, but I'm just placing some T-pins inside of the head to secure the wig cap. Now it helps while you're sewing the hair down because it doesn't move the cap. Everything is pretty secured. Now you're gonna rub the head for good luck. I'm just kidding, guys. So here, I'm just combing the closure out, and then I'm placing the closure onto the cap. I'm using the T-pins I have. I'm gonna place one in each corner. So you're gonna need 4 T-pins, 2 in the front and 2 in the back. And once you're finished, you're gonna put it in a cute little ponytail, so that you don't have any hair in the way as you're sewing. Alright, now we are ready to sew. So, just a heads up, do not sew through the band, guys, because once you sew fully through the band, the wig will not have any elasticity and it will not fit your head, to be completely honest. So just sew through the first layer of the band, do not sew completely through the band. You do not want that. You do not want to complete a full wig and you're not able to wear it. That will suck. So here, you'll see that I'm doing very close stitches, nice and neat, and I'm taking my time. I'm not rushing. It's no rush, guys. It takes me about like 2.5 hours to make a wig. It could take you 4 or 5, whatever it takes you, just take your time. Once you continue to make wigs and you continue to, you know, get in the groove of things, it becomes way quicker and way easier. So as I'm coming up on the seam, I'm not sewing through the seam as well because, again, it will lose the elasticity of the cap and I do not want that, so I'm going to sew around. And you just want to complete this process all the way around. So sew completely around this closure. Alright, now we're ready to sew. Okay, so I tack down each end with a T-pin so that the extensions will not move as I'm sewing. I didn't sew these exactly at the very bottom of the wig cap because I'm going to cut it into a bob in another tutorial. So I didn't want the hair all the way at the bottom. As you can see, I'm still doing very close stitches and very neat. I just continue the same process all the way up until the top. Honestly, there's no secret, there's no tricks. I literally just lay the tracks the same way until I get to the top. And forgive me guys, I'm so blind, so I was like sewing kind of slow, so I had to fast forward it because I cannot see standing behind it. I'm usually like right in front of the cap. So fast forward to the top, and I'm sewing a little curve now because when the wind blows, I want you to be able to see my hair and not my tracks. So yeah, and I just continue the same process. I'm just sewing the same way, nothing different. Also, I cut my webs at the end because I like my wigs to be super flat. I do not like lumps and humps. And a lot of people say don't cut your extensions or don't cut the wefts because it causes shedding. But to me, I've been doing this a long time and I do not witness shedding. I know what I'm doing. Also here, I don't show you guys, but the last step you will sew directly to the closure, and that's going to help the wig lay super flat and it looks super nice. Well, you do get a little part right here. This is me sewing it exactly to the closure. So at the end, it'll be super flat and super cute. So here I'm just brushing the wig out because I just took the little ponytail out of the closure, and I want you guys to see how flat it is. Super cute. Now I'm going to take a rat tail comb and I'm going to part out the part that I want because I'm going to begin tweezing the part. You can choose the side, you don't have to choose the middle. I just choose the middle because I love middle parts. And actually, I'm about to cut the cap out of the inside so that the closure is super flat and natural and there's no black underneath. That would be super ugly if it was, because your scalp is not black. So here I'm just tweezing out the part just to make it look more natural. Don't overdo the plucking because you don't want to part the Red Sea. You just want a nice natural part. And this is how it looked before I curled it and everything. Super cute, right? Well, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and give me any kind of feedback.